Welcome food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. In today's video, we will make one of the Philippines' favorite dishes, pork adobo. There are many ways to cook pork adobo. I will show you the authentic way taught me by my grandmother. I recommend you use pork belly, but of course, you can also use pork ribs. In this video, we will only marinate the pork for 10 minutes. If you have time to marinate the pork for at least 3 hours or even better overnight, I recommend you do just that. This recipe should take about 1 hour of total preparation time. For this recipe, we will need 32 ounces of skinless pork belly, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 5 dried bay leaves, 1 whole garlic bulb smashed and peeled, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 3 cups of water, 5 pieces of cayenne pepper, optional, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We will start by marinating the pork. Place the pork into a large glass bowl. Add the soy sauce, pepper, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, and lemon juice. Mix the ingredients while using your hands for about 30 seconds. Put the bowl aside to let it marinate while we start heating an 11-inch shallow casserole. Start with low heat and add the oil. Once the oil is heated, add the onion and mix well until golden. You can now add the ginger and cook it for about 2 minutes. Now, you can add the marinated pork into the casserole. Keep the marinating sauce aside as we will use it later. Slowly stir the pork for about 10 minutes until it turns brown. Remove the excess oil from the pork pot. We can now add the water, the marinated sauce, chili, and sugar. Increase the heat to medium. Cover the casserole for about 40 minutes. Avoid cooking pork adobo on high heat, making it hard with an off taste. This dish is best served immediately while still hot. If you have leftovers, you can put them into the refrigerator and make delicious pork adobo fried rice. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.